Ecotheology is the linking of spiritual values with ecological needs. It takes into consideration the sacred nature of who we are as human beings, the divinity that we are living, and also ties that externally to the ecology and to nature.
We seem to be in what I think is a very critical time, and the next 10 years are very critical with respect to how we do things in farming and agriculture. How do we get more people to understand, and what actions do you think we need to take to make sure that we leave a beautiful world and that we're not destroying it?
These are very important questions. They're probably the central questions of our time, because we probably have 10 or 15 years at the very most to put into motion changes, particularly in agricultural practice. The actions that we take would make a critical difference to avoiding irreversible climate change and an ecological catastrophe. We need first to have a better understanding of our relationship with nature, and this places us then in a position where we can take action to make the world a better place for those that follow us.
In ecotheology, we have reverence. We have reverence for life, we have reverence for human beings, and we have reverence for who we are internally.
Right action needs to come from a place of inner connectedness. So people who meditate, who practice mindfulness, or who follow some other spiritual tradition and prepare themselves for the day and try to become more present and more connected to their physical bodies, their words, their manifestations, and their actions will be from a better place and therefore probably more potent to bring about the changes that are needed.
Ecotheology is one of the most important needs in our world today. It's bringing in the sacred nature of who we are as human beings and asking us to walk a higher standard, to walk a walk that includes taking care of nature, taking care of ecology, taking care of each other, and taking care of the world we live in.
And what we eat and how much we align ourselves with the farms and the farming systems from which our food is derived will have a critical impact on whether we can avoid irreversible climate change. Only if people are better informed about these relationships will they be able to answer the question which nearly everyone is asking today: what should I eat to be healthy and sustainable? What action can I take as a citizen to be part of this change that is needed to prevent the world becoming uninhabitable?
We have a responsibility to take care of life itself. That includes us and the world that surrounds us. And when human beings can work with nature and not against it, beautiful things can happen.